Greetings. This is Master Gyama. Today's topic is a little bit different from what we have been covered before. So what we are having here is the age problem. So the statements read as follow: Sylvia is 3 times as old as Tutanga. Now those are the names of two individuals, the mother and the child. Okay. Now eight years from now, Sylvia will be twice as old as Tutanga. Now the question asks, how old is Tutanga now? Okay. Now we take a look what is happening here. This might be a problem to translate 3 times. Now 3 times means that is a multiplication. And when we come here, Sylvia will be, will. Now will is equal sign. Okay. So now we choose the table to organize our information. And what we have here, this is a present, that is a time now, and this is the future. So now take a look what we are having here. This is the S stand for for Sylvia, and T just for Tutanga. Okay, now let's go back to the statement. Say Sylvia is 3 times as old as Tutanga, and that is what we are having here. S, which is Sylvia, will be equal sign 3 times as Tutanga's age. Okay, 3 times as Tutanga's age. That is the present. That is the present time. That is now. Now future. 8 years. Let's go back to the statement. 8 years from now, Sylvia will be twice as old as Tutanga. Now here, future is now Sylvia plus 8. Okay, Sylvia plus 8 will be 2 times Tutanga's age. Tutanga's age is T plus 8. Okay, so now we have to substitute. Since we are having 2s, we are going to substitute the 3t into s, and that is exactly what we are having here. 3t plus 8, 3t plus 8 plus 8, that is the one over there, equal to 2 times parenthesis t plus 8. Now this is the age of Tutanga. Okay. Next, what we need to do is that we have to distribute or multiply, since we are having a parenthesis right here. So we have to multiply 2 times t, which is 2t, and then 2 times 8, which is 16. Okay. Now on this side, that one 3t plus 8, we're gonna bring them down here, and now we have to transpose the 2t, or take 2t to the left side. Now in order to do that, we have to get the same value, which is, now that one is a positive and this one is negative, so of course they're going to be cancel each other. And when we take it to the other side, and then now here we are having a 3 and negative 2, and if we subtract from each other, that will give us t, positive t. On the right side, we are having 16, because the two t's are cancelled. They're out. Okay, see, we are having 16 right here. Now again, we want to take the 8 to the right side, and if we do that, it will, of course, change the sign. It will be a negative. And if we subtract 8 from 16, it will be 8. Finally, we find the age of Tutanga. Now, 8 Tutanga right now is 8 years of 8 years old. Now, I know that the question asks the age. Sorry, excuse me. The statement asks, or the question asks, how old is Tutanga now? But again, just for the sake of knowing, let's find out even the age of the mother. Sylvia, how old is Sylvia? Now, if we go back to the statement there, it says that Sylvia is equal to 3 times Tutanga's age. Now, and that is what we are having here. Now, what we can do is that we have to substitute 8 for t. This 8, the Tutanga's age, for t. And if we do that, then we have 3 times 8, which is 24. In other words, Sylvia is 24 years of age. Thank you very much, and have a good one. Bye for now.